It's chilly out to there. Must be like 40 something. There's the sun coming up over the peak. I don't know what happened, but I somehow lost all my other footage of my walk through the desert and stuff, so I'm doing it again. Only this time it's in the morning. This is right outside the campsite. I mean, the van's about 50 feet away. Look, here's one that died or something. I don't know what it was. There we go. We got some light over here. On the video I lost, I got bit by a couple of, I think it was these deadly ocotillos. I was trying to squeeze through them, but it's okay, nothing bad. But I did have my swim shoes on, and not my boots, so that made it hard to walk. Boots are a lot better. What gets me is, I think I had a defective SD card, and I had gotten to this place on my walk where I had all kinds of those purple cactus that I was bragging about and stuff, and now it's all gone. I'll see if I can find them real quick before I go back. Here's like a little wash that comes through here. I mean, a mini one, see it right here? But you can tell that whenever it rains and stuff, it'll get filled up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the yucca that stung me once. Well, I remember that. I must be on the right trail. Here's a little bit. There's a few patches right over here of the, I call them purple. See? But I had found this one that was like totally red. It was bright. It was a real bright color. And then continuing the story of the Frenchie guy, Frenchie that built the fence all around. I don't know if this is part of it, but here's a small rock fence right here that looked like it was being started at one time, see it? But one goes all the way up the mountain and stuff, and that was Frenchie that did it. He also built a cabin at the edge. Excuse me. There we go. I don't know how much you can see that color, but that's definitely a reddish. see, with the sun going on it. Amazing. So there's definitely color out here. Color in the desert. Here's some more. Here's another patch. I love it. What's not to love? Look. That guy, Oliver Lee, picked a hell of a place to live. And he was lucky enough that he figured out up over this ridge there's a canyon, Dog Canyon, and there's a spring up there and a bunch of fresh clear water. A big old, I call it a swimming pool. It's big enough for about 8 people to get in. It's probably about 5 feet deep, and there's all kinds of like little waterfalls, and they've been running for so long that they've cut through the stone. I lost a lot of that footage also, but I have some of them left on my phone, so I can make a small video about that later. Here's another one, a real bright one. This caught my eye from way across there. Look at that. Pretty neat. Oh wow. That's just a continuation of the wall. Or yeah, see those rocks stacked up? And then here, I don't know if this part is man-made, but this little piece, this little part goes down into the wash right here. I don't know if he did that or what, but I better head back here in a second. Whew, okay. Go back the easy way. There's another whole red patch. Maybe when we get to Arizona, with all the recent rains they got, we'll get some a little more greenery. Oh yeah, because look, I don't know if you can see it, but this Ocotillo has a little bit of green on the bottom, so maybe it's going to start to come to life. Oh my God, that looks like peyote. I don't know if it is or not, but it has the characteristics of it.